What's up guys, today's video is another product review. A company reached out to me and said, hey, we saw your other video on this ceramic coat, would you like to do our ceramic coat? And I said, sure, I'm always looking for a good product, and checked it out on Amazon. It's like 25 bucks, and I thought that's not a bad price point, but this one is 8 times as much as the Wish one. Is it 8 times as better? I don't know. If you look back on that Wish video, I didn't do my hood, my roof, or my trunk, or the bumpers. I kind of just did the fenders, door, and quarter panel, and I waxed everything else. I kind of compared it to see how long it would last, and it's still kind of like an effect on my car. Like, it's not perfect. Water still will like dry on it and leave water spots, but better than the wax, I'll tell you that. So the company is called Autokcan. This is their product. You know, you can buy it off Amazon. I believe it's Prime, so 2-day shipping, which beats the month-long shipping on Wish. So that kind of already pays for itself. I haven't had the car, as you saw in the header video, or the tuning, I don't know which video it's in, but whacked one of the V-band clamps on a speed bump, so I didn't have the car for a while. I had to go back to Pro Auto, raise it, and do a bunch of stuff so I could actually drive the car around Clemson, because right now I'm kind of landlocked with what roads I can go on. So this had to wait, and sorry for taking so long, but let's unbox it. Finally made merch, decided to test the waters with merch. Decided the best place to start is stickers. So got these 2 little stickers. It's my logo. I just made the logo, it's like a cutout, and my border on my channel. Figured that's the best way to start is that. Also figured out the easiest and most convenient way to sell these is on Etsy. I don't really want to pay for a website yet when I just have 2 stickers. So the link is below. Yeah, I have merch now. Alright, so here we are. Comes with an instruction, nice, very well presented bottle, and an applicator. The question is how I get any of this out. Yes. Ooh, okay. Whole lot better than the Wish stuff already. Ooh, glass bottle. Looks like it's coated in something. Looks about the same size. I think it's the same amount too as Wish. Got a little applicator pad. Microfiber, and then a nice gloves, and then some cloths to apply. So yeah, I would say already it's worth 8 times as much. Wish one only came with 2. This one has like 5, so you don't have to do everything in like 2 sittings. You can do it if you want to do a car one weekend and a car the other weekend. You can actually do it. But see how well the instructions are. So if you don't know the steps, they tell you the steps. That's good. Basically, you clay bar, you polish, and then you do it. I'm just gonna clay bar and then do this. I'm not gonna polish. Screw that. In a controlled environment, 3 minutes. So Florida's climate, 95 degrees, 70% humidity. You have to around 1 minute before the coating begins to flash. Oh, it's quicker. Okay. Oh, you also have to do it IPA, isopropyl alcohol, just like I did with the Wish. Clay bar, isopropyl alcohol, ceramic coat. I'm not polishing or cutting or doing anything like that because my paint's already like not great. It's not even worth correcting. I have a lot of paint chips because I drive my car. Unlike some people. Yeah, let's go do this. Alright, and we're back with parking lot adventures. So, don't have a garage, so we're just doing it in the parking lot. And this paint is not the best. So all I'm gonna do for this, just like I did last time, is just clay bar it and then seal it. I don't care that much about this paint. I try to keep it as nice as possible, but it's not the best paint. But that's okay, because it's a college car. We're gonna do just the flat part. So trunk, roof, and if we have time, hood. Might be out of daylight. All we're gonna do is just clay bar it and then ceramic coat it. And that'll be it. So just like the other kit, you wrap the white cloth around the sponge. This one actually has gloves, so that's nice. There's still water spots here. You just gotta polish them out. Again, I don't care. It says it'll only take about a minute in Florida weather, so I'm gonna go off that. Boom. Rinse and repeat. and I'm done. So we're gonna do a little test, just got some water here. Let's see what it looks like coated and uncoated. So we'll pour it on the hood, nice flat surface, and then we'll do the roof and the trunk. I also just washed the cars. So here's another good comparison. Quarter panel's not coated, trunk is. It's a pretty big difference, just in those two. Right, trunk again. Hey, future me here. So it's been like a month maybe since I did the roof and the trunk. Editing the video, and I realized I didn't do one key step, and that was wipe it down with rubbing alcohol. I forgot to buy rubbing alcohol from the store, and it just slipped my mind because I needed to do it. Then I was like, well, I need to, you know, good thing I didn't do the hood. I can do that with rubbing alcohol, show how it should properly be like, which again, I'm not gonna cut or polish or do any paint correction on that, just, you know, clay bar, alcohol, ceramic coat. And then it rained for a week straight, like literally no breaks whatsoever. So you're like, hey, you're in the garage, I thought you were in a parking lot. Yeah, back in Colombia, bad news. I think something's up with the engine. I think it's burning oil somewhere internally, which is bad. That'll be another video though. So I'm just gonna do the hood. I'm taking it to Pro Auto tomorrow, and they're gonna have it for until they fix it. Explains this situation, so let's do it the right way. So we got the water, it's all done. You can see it's nice and shiny, not perfect. I did notice it was like a little sticky to wipe it off. I don't know if it leaked in the box or whatever, but the microfiber was a little crusty and everything was kind of stuck together. But I did find one part of the microfiber that was nice and soft, like it was. Again, I don't know if you can see it, it's like kind of uneven in places, but we'll go here. Let's see the roof. So, kind of comparison. I do think this is worth 7 times as much as the Wish ceramic coat. Based off the packaging alone, you get so much more. You get better instructions, and the product is just as good, if not better. Time will tell, because like, if you read the comments or anything, I still try to reply to everybody that comments on those Wish videos, but the ceramic coat on the sides, like I originally did, still is there, and it still has an effect, and it still, you know, makes water bead off. Dirt, sticks, there's still water spots. If water dries on it, you know, it leaves a little ring, which with real ceramic coating doesn't happen. Ceramic coating, it won't let anything stick to it. So this is a good way to do it on a budget, and it's pretty easy. It just takes time. Set aside a whole day, you could do a whole car. Yeah, just want to thank Autokcan again for sending me this product, letting me test it out. I'll leave a link below to the Amazon. It's not an affiliate link. I might make it one, but that's a lot of work. So I don't get anything out of putting it there. So if you're interested, click it. It's, you know, 20 bucks. It's a good deal. Yeah, I got some other projects in the works, like headlight restoration, and then of course finding out what's wrong with this. Spark plugs look like this. Not good, but take care. See you on the next one.